In this video, I will show you how to add hashtags on YouTube. And if this does help you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here we are, you can see I'm on youtube.com and I'm currently signed into my account. So what you can do is actually add hashtags, and there is a hashtag section which you might or might not know about on YouTube, which can help with you getting discovered on YouTube. So if I come across to my channel, and you'll see that on my videos, if I choose one of these videos and I start playing it, you'll see we have some hashtags. So you can see at the top here, next to the views and the when it was uploaded, you've got these three hashtags here. What people can do, they can actually click onto these hashtags and they will be redirected to videos which are under this hashtag. So you can see the hashtag YouTube I've just clicked on. We have 44 million videos and 5.6 million channels. So all these videos have got a hashtag YouTube in the description, which again is enabling them to be discovered, and it does help with your videos and channel getting discovered. It's just another way to get discovered on YouTube. So to actually do this, what you need to do is add the hashtags in the descriptions of your videos. So if I come across to YouTube Studio, and what I'm going to do is just jump into one of my video descriptions. Let's go across to content and then details. And you'll see in my description right down here at the bottom, I have these hashtags. So you can do a maximum of three different hashtags. And what you can do is, what you need to make sure is that these go at the bottom of the description so they show up correctly on your video. And of course, once you've made any changes to your videos or added the hashtags, make sure you click the save button up here in the top right hand corner to save any changes. So I hope this quick video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate if you did consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.